Hello everyone, Lynsie here. So today I want to talk to you about the peak performance breath, sometimes called coherent breathing. And the great thing about learning how to do this technique is that it will help you reach optimal performance. And it's so simple, and it's the basic foundational breathing technique for all other breathing techniques. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to sit cross-legged on the floor. You can do the same if you're comfortable with that. If you're not, sit in a chair. But the most important thing is to sit upright so that you can actually take a quality breath in to your lungs. So I often teach with my eyes closed. So if you want to join me, it's a great way of just closing out external distraction. And just bring awareness to your breath and feel the breath moving in and out through your nose. So you're tuning to the sensation of the breath as it moves through the nostrils and out through the nostrils. And the peak performance breath is a breath that is equal in ratio, meaning when you breathe in, your exhale will match that inhale. And the length that is of peak performance, according not just to the yoga tradition, but also science is now backing it up, is somewhere between a 5 and a 6 count inhale and a 5 and 6 count exhale. So as you breathe in through the nose, just feel yourself counting backwards from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then exhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And continue to breathe this way. And with each inhale and with each exhale, the breath becomes more continuous and more smooth. So there's no tension, there's no friction in the breath. That you have this sense that each breath is becoming more efficient in its ability to calm your nervous system, to relax the body, and to steady the mind. So continuing to breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. And we'll just do a couple more rounds here, counting backwards from 6 with each inhale and with each exhale. And if 6 is too long for you, then just move to a 5 count. And if that's too long for you, then you find the count that works for you until you can start to build the length of inhale and exhale up. But we don't want any stress, no tension, no force in the breath. It's essential that we breathe through the nose in a calm, steady pattern that will have a direct impact on the nervous system, and it will have a direct impact on your mind. Okay, the next time you exhale through the nose, just take a pause here, relax the breath, let it come back to its natural rhythm, and just notice how you feel. And then when you're ready, you can open your eyes. And that was very, very short. So it's just a little intro, give you a little taste for it. But do this every single day and start to do it 2 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, morning and evening if you can, and start to notice the effects that it has on your workouts, on how you move through your daily life, and also just kind of tinker with it as you're working out as well. I know it's hard to work out with your mouth closed, but do it on easier exercises and see how that actually has an effect on your performance. Okay, until next time, my friends, take care.